Right now I am going to show you how to use the Ryobi battery-powered brad nail gun. So right here on the back of the gun, it reminds you, in case you ever forget, it uses 18 gauge brad nails between 5/8 and 2 inches long. Now, troubleshooting. In case there's ever a jam, this lever up here, you can access the top of the gun here to get out the jammed nail. So remember that. Here there is a switch to lower the magazine to then load your brad nails. We'll get there in a second. On the back of the gun, you have a dial here that you can twist. Plus means more power, minus means less power, depending on the material. You can adjust. On the side of the gun, you have another knob you can twist here. More customization. This will allow your tip of the gun to get closer to the material. So here it shows a picture of a sunken nail and an exposed head nail. So there you can just work with that and customize until you have the right depth. Now here you have another tip attachment that you can further customize. Now on the bottom of the gun here, there's a switch beneath the trigger here. On the switch, there's a picture of a single nail. If you slide it the other way, there's a picture of multiple nails. And that is for a speed setting where you would then engage the trigger, keep it down, and then each time you pressed the tip of the nail into your material, or the tip of the head into your material, it would fire a nail for a faster, more skilled project, whatever you're working on. So loading the nails, you then pull the trigger, lower the magazine. You'll notice inside there are different grooves, and your brad nails will slide into that groove, keeping them in place. Then you can close your magazine, attach the battery here. Now when you pull the trigger, you will get a light. When you press the head into a material, pull and hold the trigger, and you will fire a nail into the material. So there you go. That is the Ryobi battery-powered 18 gauge brad nail gun. That's a mouthful. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house type projects, please feel free to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.